Now we can use percent to measure amount of change, and just a percent of change is what we're talking about. And what we do is we take the amount of change and we divide it by the original amount, or original amount, and that equals some number of percent, not 25, some number of percent a percent number over 100. Or another way to write that is I take the amount of change divided by the original amount times 100 equals my percent number, or just my percent now, okay, because I'm multiplying it by 100. So, for example, it's the temperature goes from 60 degrees to 84 degrees. And we want to know what percent that is. Okay, so my amount of change is, so amount of change is the 84 minus 60. And I'm going to put that over the original, which in this case is 60. And then we'll multiply that by 100. So 84 minus 60 is 24 over 60 times 100, and that equals my 40%. Okay, and that's an increase, obviously. Okay, so another one, we can go from, say, we go down from 24, so we go from 24 to 20. Okay, so again, my amount of change in this case, it goes from 24 to 20 over my original, which is my 24. Oh, and then we multiply it by 100. So I have 4 over 24 times 100. And if I do that math, I have 4 divided by 24, and that's going to be 16.67%, and that's a decrease. Okay. All right. So we often will use percent, or usually we'll use percent if we're talking about markups for selling prices. So, for example, a store pays $68 for a DVD player, and the markup is 35%, and we want to know what is the selling price. Okay, so we'll take what we're really trying to figure out is the markup amount, which is a 68 times our 35 over 100. That's going to give us our markup amount. Okay. And so that's 68 times 0.35 is $23.80. So that's my markup. Okay. And now I want to figure out, so the selling price is the $68 plus the markup, plus $23.80, and that's going to be $91.80. Okay, so we add the markup to the selling price. And then the other thing that we're often interested in is discounts. So you will see a sale price. Okay, so say we have a baseball mitt. And it original amount that they have it listed for is, say, $89, and it is 25% off. Again, what is the new sale price? Okay, so I want to take my $89, multiply it times my 25%, and that's $22.25. Okay, that's the amount off, or the discount. So now I have to take the $89 and subtract the $22.25, and that gives me $66.75. Okay, so that should set us up for problems in class, and we'll talk to you then.